branch. This is the third branch of the Air Dental Academy. The first is in Delhi, second is the main Mohali 3B2 phase, and this is the third, that is the Aerocity. Now today we have all our doctors who are working here. As you can see, today we have 3 doctors who are working independently on the patients. One thing I would like to tell you that we have done a theory class in the morning. Okay, all the procedures, all the lecture theory, how it is done, first diagnosis, then the X-ray. You can see we have a monitor here, which is showing you all the X-ray of the various procedures which are done here. So in the starting morning, how it is done, first we diagnose the case, what is the chief complaint of the patient, we explain to the patient what is going on, then what can be done to save the tooth, or is to be extracted, or is to be saved. Then we do diagnosis and then we start the patient. Here doctors, whatever they come, from wherever they come, they just have to bring the lab coat and the rotor, and they get all things from directly from the academy. Okay, he is Dr. Midul. He is doing the RCT of the upper 6 molar. He is just doing the first X opening, okay, the cleaning of the root canal. Then this is Dr. Aman. She is doing the post-operative filling that is done after the operation. Then we covered that before the crown. And Dr. Sharan, she is doing diagnosis on the new patient, which will be further done treatment by the various doctors. Here we have the lobby area, which shows all the waiting area of the patients in the new patients. Okay, so this is a general review of all the patients who are coming here for the dental cleanness or root canal treatment extraction. This is our third new branch, and here all the treatments are done of the dental endo procedures, the perio procedures, the OS procedures, and they are done directly on by Dr. Lee. First the theory lecture is done, then the X-ray is done, then the diagnosis is done, and then the procedure is done. And it is strictly done under all the supervision of the faculty. So you do have a visit of Air Dental Academy, pay your visit, and you can see all the doctors who are working here. Thank you very much.